Hey guys, Zach with Edwards RV. Today we're going to be showing you this 2023 23 dBS titanium RV from Outdoors RV. As always, let's start up front and walk around the outside. Unique to the titanium, we have an auto leveling system. So it has a different front tongue jack than I'm used to showing in the Mountain series that works in conjunction with the leveling jacks on the side. So what you do is you hit a button and it will actually self-level, so you don't even have to worry about it. And then when you're done, you can press a button and it will actually bring it right down to hitch height. Really cool to see. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you in the video, but if you want to see a video of it, we can show you. We have one on file of an RV doing it. Really neat stuff. Saves you a pile of time and headache. Behind, we got two 30-pound propane tanks. A chain, it's kind of tucked behind our stock arm, but we got a trailer plug and chain caddy system, somewhere to hold them so they're not hanging down. Welded through A-frame right to the frame of the RV. Full featured fiberglass cap. It's got the gray color because it's the titanium, and then the rock guard up front to protect it from rocks in the problem areas. Down the side, we have the outlet for the 200-watt portable solar panel. You can do a folding panel or a fixed panel, and it can take up to 200 watts. Inch thick compartment door, magnetic catch, metal hardware, rubber checker plate floors that hold up a lot better than your vinyl flooring. Battery disconnect switch. The self-leveling buttons are in there. There's also one on the inside, and then some lighting and 12-volt outlets there. To my side, we have a Solera power awning, metal weather shield. Or actually, I should correct myself. There is no weather shield on this one. It must have been in a supply shortage. So that's just the normal awning up top there. Frameless thermal insulated windows, 2-inch thick bonded walls. Diamond scorn off-road skirting. You'll notice it's not shaking when I hit it. And then the screwed in clearance lights instead of just snapped in. Alloy steps on both this front door and the back, or sorry, just this front door. It's not two doors on this. 10-gallon hot water heater. And then the door itself has the hold, so we don't have to latch it in. So if a wind picks, it's not going to slam on you. Goodyear Endurance radial tires. Moride CRE 3000 shackle system, KYB off-road shocks, and Dexter axles on this RV. As far as chassis goes, as far as I'm concerned, best on the market for a holiday trailer. Behind me, we have the outdoor kitchen. We went ahead and set it up ahead of time so you can get an idea of what this is. There's a little slide compartment or table on the side here, oven, and then a sink. And give me a second, I'll show you kind of how it folds up. There is also a propane connect that I have tucked in a compartment that would hook up underneath. And then these pop in, it slides in, locks into place so it can't pop out. Our slam latches, and then it will go. Behind me, cargo capacity for the bunk. This is that propane connect. This will lift up. You lift the bed, and then you can have storage. So if you have to store something bigger in here, more chairs, you do have that. And once again, it's got the rubber checker plate floor there. At the very back, we have our XL ladder, nice and solid because it's a titanium. We get the backup LED lights in addition to the LED brake lights. There is a hitch located under the bumper here, and then a backup camera up top, and you have a wireless monitor that would come with you in your pickup truck. So once again, unique to the titanium. The very back here, you can get a good look at the jack. If in any of our other videos you see the stabilized jacks, you notice this one's built substantially bigger for the leveling system. And then our dump, so we got our sandy flush here, black tank flush, the light, outside shower. Once again, insulated thick, 1-inch thick compartment door, and magnetic hold. Behind me, we have our slide. I pointed out in most of my videos, but it is finished with Phylon underneath. It's not a tarp material. It is insulated. It does have awesome seals. They're nice and tight, and it has, if you're not level, the water drains in. It's got a drain to pull the water out. I will, if I can remember, I will point out the insulation on the inside so you have an idea what we're looking at. Finishing up, much the same, the opposite of the other side, but this is the rest of the 23 dBS titanium. And short of that, let's take inside and show you what else is there. Okay, so inside the 23 dBS titanium, when we walk in, like all the outdoors RV, you have a control panel somewhere near the entrance. This particular case, it's unique because we got a touchscreen panel for that auto leveling system. Fortunately, I don't have power to it, so you can't see it, but if you would like a video or something specific on that, we can send that to you. Other than that, you have your tank gauges, battery levels, freshwater tank, turn on, hot water tanks, slide out awning here. Behind me on the door, I like to point this out. The titanium features a upgraded blind system. It's got an easy roll blind. And so you have one on the door, which is kind of neat because it's got the bigger window. So that's how it works, and all the windows have something similar. Beside, we have the remote. So this will control, I'll show you here. This controls outside light, slide awning. So you can be outside if you're wanting to pop your awning out, and say you're pushing into bushes or something like that. You can be out there doing it rather than have a spotter. So I really like that. And then same thing with the awning. You can be sitting out there, maybe you want to put the awning in or out. You can do it with the remote. You don't have to come back inside the coach to do that. That's something unique to the titanium. Different countertop. It's got the solid surface, upgraded faucet over the Mountain Series, metal farmhouse sink, Furrion DVD, Blu-ray DVD player with the Bluetooth, controls the outside speakers. We got an LED Jensen TV, low power, LED lights, spotlights up top, upgraded Suburban oven, stainless steel finish appliances, Norcold fridge, and then our bunks. So we got the ladder here, nice double bunks. They're not the single, so we got lots of room, and then kind of a double. Behind me, our bathroom. I'll let you guys check that out. Lots of room for the toilet, some counter space. We do have a Maxx-Air fan in there. And then just outside, linen closet, pantry, whatever you will, and some drawers below it. And the controls for that Maxx-Air are just right here, by the way, too. Not that it matters, but it's there. XL size dinette with the travel locks on these doors, so I can open, close it. When you're traveling, it's not going to go out. And this will fold down to a bed. And then I pointed out the insulation on the outside. This is going to be another tricky one to kind of show, but it does have plywood decking. And then there's a layer of astrofoil, which I won't be able to show you here, but it is layered here. So this is all insulated. So in terms of heat loss or keeping heat in or cold air in, it does it very, very well because of that. It's not lost on the awning, or on the slide out, I should say. Okay, so we're going to go to the bedroom. Behind me, we have a 12-volt Jensen LED TV. There is a, I don't know if on this, yeah, there is a DVD player on this one, and it will swing out to the bedroom. Titanium has reading lights, and then there's below you, it's kind of hard to see, it's maybe a little dark. It's dark for me, maybe not on the video, but outlets on either side of the bed. It is prepped for solar, 510 watts, and then it has an upgraded Maxx-Air fan in the bedroom where you can set a thermostat. It's reversible. You tell it the temperature, crack some windows, and it will keep the unit going to that temperature as you go. You don't have to worry about running AC, depending where you're at. But I know on mine, that's what I do, and it works perfect since 12 volt. The mattress is upgraded because it's a titanium. It's got a gel foam on top over what the Mountain Series would be. And then there is a storage underneath. Not big, but a little bit. And then the pass-through, of course, is under there as well. Last but not least, I would like to read out a couple stats on the titanium, on this particular unit, and kind of go from there. So 23 dBs, it comes in at a dry weight on the titanium of 6,930 pounds. Overall length is 27 feet 9 inches. Freshwater capacity is 80 gallons. 10-gallon hot water tank, two 5,100-pound axles, 35,000 BTU furnace capacity, 11 feet 5 inches overall height, 6 feet 11 inches overall height on the inside. 60 pounds, of course, with the propane. I think I mentioned that up front, 230s. 50-gallon gray water tank, 40-gallon black water tank. Cargo carrying capacity of 3,545 pounds, which would give you a full, the titanium would be a little less than that. I don't think they account for the bump in titanium. So I bet you it's closer to 3. I don't think the brochure accounts for the extra 500 pounds on this with the jack system. Hitch weight is 775 pounds for a total GVW of 9,995 pounds. If there's any questions you have, feel free to call us 403-845-3328 or visit us online at edwardsrv.ca. And if there's something you think we can do to improve the video, if you're watching on YouTube, feel free to leave us a comment. Stuff maybe we're not showing you'd like to see, let us know, and we'll definitely try to amend our videos for it. So thanks for watching, and look forward to hearing from you.